way to earn a lucrative digital marketing salary in your dream job. Businesses are pushing to catch the digital wave. To differentiate themselves in this competitive landscape, they have to identify the need that what marketers actually are carrying the digital skills with them. They are willing to pay a premium to bring those professionals on board. Act now to become one of the highly sought after candidates that companies all over the world are vying for. Now, DIDM offers a variety of profession-linked digital marketing courses that will get you started in the fact-possessed, challenging, and rewarding your career. Now, when it comes to paying, many companies are basing raises on the employees' digital skills. Now, it's easy to see why professionals with digital skills command higher pay. Now, as per the report by the Burning Class Technologies, job roles that are following digital marketing skills are getting 29% more than who do not have these skills. Besides the fact that the current year has put a damper on promotions, but records have shown this that the digital marketing is one of the professions for which employees are willing to pay. Undoubtedly, the career opportunities in digital marketing field seems to be promoting in coming years too. Now, as per LinkedIn, the digital marketing specialist is considered one of the most in-demand jobs. Now, for more videos relating to the importance of the skills of digital marketing, please feel free to contact us on the number 8800505151, or you can visit our website www.didm.in. If you are keen to read, then you can visit our blog page blog.didm.in.